Hey everyone, have you ever heard about the Dalton's law? It is a fascinating concept that explains how gases behave in a mixture.
Damn, man! You just got here and you're talking about science?
Oh sorry, I was just amazed in the Dalton's law.
Oh, I've heard of it. It's about the pressure of gases, right?
Exactly. Dalton's law states that the total pressure exerted by a mixture of gases is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of each gas.
So, how does that apply to our everyday lives?
Well, let's think about the air we breathe. It's a mixture of different gases, mainly nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and trace the other amount of gases.
Right. And according to Dalton's law, each gas exerts its own partial pressure, contributing the total pressure of the air.
That's correct. And this concept becomes more important in various situations. For example, scuba diving.
Yeah, when we dive underwater, the pressure increases and we breathe a mixture of gases from our tanks. Dalton's law helps us understand the effects of pressure on these gases.
And it's crucial to monitor the partial pressure of gases like oxygen and nitrogen to prevent any health risks.
Absolutely. Let's solve a sample problem to understand it better. Imagine, we have a scuba tank filled with a mixture of 40% oxygen and 60% nitrogen. The total pressure inside the tank is 2000 psi. What are the partial pressures of oxygen and nitrogen?
To solve this, we'll use Dalton's law. The partial pressure of oxygen can be calculated by multiplying the percentage of oxygen, which is 40%, by the total pressure 2000 psi.
So, the partial pressure of oxygen would be 0.4 multiplied by 2000 psi, which is 800 psi.
And the partial pressure of nitrogen can be calculated in the same way. It would be 0.6 multiplied by 2000 psi, which is 1200 psi.
So, in this scuba tank, the partial pressure of oxygen is 800 psi and the partial pressure of nitrogen is 1200 psi.
That's a great example. It shows how Dalton's law helps us to understand the behavior of gases.
Thank you for another knowledge, man.
You're welcome, man.
I'm sorry about earlier, man.
No, it's okay.